Welcome to the top 3 best nail dust collector of 2026, available on Amazon. All links are in the description and pinned comment.
The Luxe Professional Nail Dust Collector is designed for nail technicians who want a cleaner, more professional workspace with powerful dust control. Equipped with a high-performance 650 PA brushless motor, this collector delivers strong and stable suction to capture fine acrylic, dip powder, and gel nail dust before it spreads across your table. The adjustable speed control allows you to easily customize the suction power depending on the surface you're performing, whether you're shaping nails, removing acrylics, or using an e-file during heavy-duty nail work. Its wide ventilation surface helps maximize dust collection efficiency while keeping your station cleaner throughout the entire appointment. Built with low-noise technology, the Luxe creates a quieter and more comfortable experience for both nail techs and clients, making it ideal for busy salons and home studios. The reusable filter system is easy to remove and clean, helping maintain strong suction performance while reducing replacement costs over time. With its sleek, modern design, durable construction, and professional-level performance, the Luxe Nail Dust Collector is a reliable solution for creating a cleaner, healthier, and more organized manicure environment. This professional nail dust collector is designed to deliver powerful performance with strong suction technology that captures fine acrylic, dip powder, and gel dust during every manicure session. Built with a high-efficiency motor and adjustable suction control, it helps keep your workspace cleaner and more professional while reducing airborne dust. The low-noise operation creates a more comfortable experience for both nail technicians and clients, making it perfect for busy salons or home nail studios. Its large, reusable filter system is easy to clean and designed for long-lasting performance without constant replacements. Featuring a sleek, modern design, durable construction, and a spacious ventilation surface for improved airflow, this nail dust collector is ideal for acrylic removal, gel filing, and heavy e-file work. At around $99, it delivers professional-level dust collection, cleaner air, and a healthier manicure environment for serious nail artists. Melody Susie. This professional nail dust collector is designed to keep your manicure station cleaner, healthier, and more efficient during every nail service. Featuring a powerful high-speed motor with strong suction performance, it effectively captures acrylic, gel, and dip powder dust before it spreads across your workspace. The adjustable suction settings allow nail technicians to customize airflow depending on the type of service, whether it's light shaping, acrylic removal, or intensive e-file work. Its wide surface ventilation design helps maximize dust collection while providing a comfortable handrest area for clients during appointments. Built with low-noise technology, this dust collector creates a quieter and more relaxing salon environment without sacrificing performance. The reusable filter system is easy to remove and clean, helping maintain strong suction while reducing maintenance costs over time. Its sleek and compact design fits perfectly into professional salons, nail bars, and home studios, offering a more organized and professional setup. At around $64, this nail dust collector delivers reliable performance, cleaner air, and a better overall manicure experience for both nail techs and clients. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to check the description and pinned comment for all the links. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the best beauty tips and reviews. See you in the next video!